share with you how my 3D printer broke. I had attached a fan, kind of janky, to make it print a little better, and it was printing much better. I was printing out this large file for a lot of the Minecraft chest pieces. Here's what happened. So it started off good, but at some point my fan broke off and it was flinging back and forth. I'll show the video. Now in this project I do a lot of grinding, so definitely remember to wear eye protection. I say that strongly because just about a month ago I forgot to put on my safety glasses, and I ended up getting a shard of metal in there, and they had to scoop it out with a very small spoon and then brush it with a little motorized brush. Not pleasant. So definitely worth saving your eyes. So here's my fan that broke off the printer. It was hanging by this right here, and this was held on by that right there. That broke off. Gonna make something more sturdy, something that attaches to all four of these connections yet still has room for this fan to spin, and then we'll come down and meet up with this and do a full attachment to it. So right here I'm just gonna, that's a very slow process. I'm gonna clean this up. That looks a lot nicer. Maybe even make it a little, I mean this is an old saw blade, so it's really stiff. Now that I can see that more clearly, I'm going to clean it off with a paper towel. Okay. Now I can go ahead and draw the design I want on this. Okay, so what we got here is another one of those fans. I have a couple extra because they were cheap enough to buy. Go ahead and measure this out on here. That way I know what I have to work with. I have to decide though if I want to lay it on top or on bottom. So currently the fan sits like this. Hold on. Yeah, like that. But I need this blowing part to point towards the nozzle, and maybe even have it adjustable. Can't go under because I would stop this airflow, so we have to go on top. Okay. But I would like it to be more like that, so that we could tilt it. Maybe put a notch in here for this piece so we can tilt it, which would be more like that. Yeah, that might work. I'm liking this. And then we bend up right here. I don't know if I got enough length on this piece of metal now. Let me do some measurements. Got 4 1/4, or very close to that. And we've got, oh my, it needs to be 3 inches. So at 3 inches, we'd have to bend it right there. So we bend it right there, which means I got, that's just to, man. No, hold on. Let me subtract this. So I'm just going to say 1/2 inch. So we got that much to work with. Okay, so shortest path for this, which is right there. Okay, let's go 2.5. Okay, so now we got 2.5. Okay, so that we can cut off this, and we have the travel from there to there. That's probably all it'll need right there, and then it'll go from there to there. Ear protection would be another plus. I might go ahead and make this slot. Now let's heat her up. Should bend exactly where we need it now. Not exactly 90 degrees, a little overshot. That looks about right. I'm going to go ahead and heat her up again. Go ahead and set the metal a little better. Less able to give and fatigue if you heat it up again after it's shaped. I'd like to go a little bit right there. Sorry, I meant to show you me putting this back on. What's hitting? It's not that. Okay, it's the home. Okay, now let's put some more. See how much room we got there? Man, it really sucks that I lost all this work. That was probably 4 hours of printing. And it was looking really good with this stringing here. This stringing is so much preferable to what I was getting. I was getting
stuff like that. So compare them to each other.